Hi dear, you are looking at this video because obviously you need some guidance or there will be some confusion regarding what is the best option for you in Inter CA Audit May 23. Okay, now I have done my analysis after counseling students, and this is the chart that I have developed. So you want 100% English lectures. Now if you are a working professional left with full group 2, go for pre-recorded fast track course. You are a working professional left with audit plus one subject, plus one. If it is plus two, then in that case go for fast track. But if you're left with audit plus one subject only, then it is better to give your best shot and go for the regular course. Okay, our regular course is starting from Jan 23. I mean from 3rd Jan to 31st Jan. If you're looking at this video before Jan 23, then you can enroll for that, or you can just watch it as a recorded version if you're looking at this video later on. If there is no work commitment, correct? See, when I say working professional means if you have work commitment like articleship, employment, whatever it is. But if there is no work commitment and you are a pure student, okay, who can give full day to studies apart from little bit of college activities and stuff, then in that case, if you are a fresher, go for the regular course, correct? Because you will need some detailed guidance on its subject. But if you are a repeater, but I'm just using for better clarity. Otherwise, for me, you are nothing less than a fighter. So if you're a repeater and if you want to prepare audit before March 23, go for our pre-recorded fast track course. But if you are ready to prepare audit in the month of March, which I think is a better situation to ensure that you get good retention of points, then in that case, please join our live fast track course. Don't worry, even if you join for live fast track course, you are anyways going to get the recorded backup, but that will be starting from 5th March 2023 onwards, but you can enroll for that right now. Now this is the chart that is recommendatory from my side. Otherwise, you can take your own decision based upon the schedules that you have. So what I have to offer: pre-recorded fast track course, which is already ready, regular course, which will be ready in the month of Jan 23. You can come live or you can watch it recorded. Then live fast track batch, all of these in English, 100% English, no use of Hindi in these lectures, and which will start this live fast track batch from 5th March 23. Okay, now how to enroll? Please download our mobile app so that at once you get all the options that are available. Download our mobile app from www.theauditacademy.com. Go to the scores or stores tab of your app. Okay. Then you can select the appropriate course as per your plan. For pre-recorded fast track course, please select the course May 23 English Inter-CA Audit Fast Track. For live fast track with recorded backup, you can select batch 23. In fact, there is some pre-booking discount for first few students, so you can enroll for that. For regular course, which happens from 3rd Jan 23 to 31st Jan 23, that is the schedule. Want to come live, you come live. Yeah, anyways, if you come live, you get recorded backup. Huh? And if you want to see it recorded, you can see it recorded. Go and select batch 20. So I hope that now there is no confusion and you can go ahead with your course. I am there till the last moment for your exams. Don't worry about it. Even if you are on our app and if you do not subscribe to the courses, you can always use the chat box of the app to ask doubts. There are more than 15,000 students on the app who are using the services, and I will be very happy to clear the doubts. And till the day of your exam, you have my support. You have my notes, you have my books, you have my WhatsApp doubt solving when you enroll for the course. Do not worry about it. All right. But I want you to see on the other side, and that is as a 100% CA final student. My best wishes are with you. All the best, Beta.